Hare here with my Wild Hare Kit July kit unboxing. I'm just going to read my style profile really quick. Last week I went through the entire thing, so if you haven't seen the style profile before, you can check out my video from last month and see everything that's included, but I'm just going to read you kind of what I said at the end here. I said I'm going to be scrapping everyday photos, summer/outdoor photos mostly, and I said that I would love some patio party in this kit. I'm digging the bright pink in that collection along with the fun icons in the ephemera pack. I think it would be perfect to document my birthday as well. I thought that I would have actual birthday pictures to scrap, but then my oldest son, Fish, got sick, and on my birthday we had to take him to the doctor and get him some medication, and he was kind of sick a few days before and then a few days after my birthday, so I don't have a single birthday picture to scrap, but I'm sure I have pictures from previous years that I have not scrapped, so I'm just going to pull in those probably to use in this collection. Allison wrote a little note, happy birthday crafting here. In the notes on my invoice she said, hope you have fun, hope you love this fun kit. I used patio party as a jumping off point. I love how the BU collection coordinates with it. I included different dimensions, layered stickers, chipboard, buttons, delicate gold pins, and what I think will be your fave, the hassle clips. Enjoy. So I'm going to start with the paper and then work down to the embellishments. So the first paper is from Patio Party. This one's called Just For You. It's got all these cute little tag cut-aparts here, which I think are adorable. And I don't know that I will be using these in my scrapbooking, but I think they'd make really fun like for packaging, for birthday packages. But this reverse side, oh, I'm in love with this paper. I love a grid pattern. I don't know what it is about grid patterns, but I love grid patterns. And this is like a teal grid, and I just think it is absolutely amazing. The branding strip is really pretty too. It's like navy blue with these white butterflies. So I love that. This is another cut apart sheet from Patio Party. This one's called From Me to You. Again, lots of fun little sentiments and little square cut aparts, some little strips, larger pieces. This one's like a little banner shape. Just really cute, fun icons. And the reverse side I love as well. I think this would make a great layering piece because I love all these fun black and white dots. This one is Pink Paisley Pick Me Up Collection. This is paper number 6. I love this paper. I love the little triangles all over it. I think that's a really fun pattern. The reverse side is a great neutral. It's just a kind of a peachy pink color with some white polka dots. This one is from Pineapple Crush, Heidi Swap. This one's called Palm Beach. This is a great side. I love the palm leaves. I think those are really pretty. I think they would work really well with all of my outdoor photos that I take. And then I think this is a great neutral with a black and white stripe. This paper is gorgeous. I love these colors here. This is from Girl Squad. This one's called Good Vibes. So it's just a colorful stripe on this side. And then the reverse side has like these fun little guitar music kind of elements. So there's like a record, cassette tape, some headphones, things like that. The branding strip's really cute with the little coffee cups as well. This one is from Pick Me Up. It's paper number 15. It's got these cute circles on this side, but I love the blue grid. You're always going to get me with a grid. This one is from Vicki Booten's All the Good Things. This one's called On a Positive Note. I also love a good ledger paper, so I love this side. But the pink circles are really pretty too, so I'm kind of torn with that paper because I love both sides equally. This paper is from Pineapple Crush, and it's called Tide Pool. So it's kind of got these like watercolored circles on this side, and the reverse side has all these kind of, says what, good vibes, dreams, sunshine, just kind of repeated in scripty font throughout the page. So that's a good little neutral as well. So that's my paper. Because she was asked if you want cardstock included in your kit, and I said surprise me with this one. So she didn't include any, and that's fine. I have plenty of cardstock in my stash. I've also been experimenting with a smaller layout size. I've been doing 8.5 by 11 lately, so I don't necessarily need 12 by 12 paper. So yeah, we'll see what I do this month, but let's get on with the embellishments. So first embellishment I have is these dimensional stickers. These are from Patio Party, and I think they're super cute. I love the flowers. I don't know if you can tell, but the little like polka dot leaves on here are actually little acetate pieces, so I love that little pop of like, you know, just like an additional texture there. I think those are really pretty. The ephemera pack for Patio Party, I'm just going to flip it over so you guys can see all of the little icons on this. I love the little flamingos. I love like the birthday cake, a little bowl of oranges. I just think they're really fun summer icons. I think they'll look great on my pages. This one, I believe these are from the Patio Party collection as well, but these are the gold safety pins. I think these are really pretty. I think they'll make a really fun touch of texture and detail on a page, so I'm really excited to use those. These are the tassels that Allison was talking about, that she thought they'd be my favorite, and yes, I love them. I also love the colors that are included in this. I think they're really fun. This is the Creative Devotion collection from American Crafts. It's like their new Bible journaling collection, and I don't do any Bible journaling, but I think that you can use these products from this collection on your scrapbook pages, no problem. These frames, these are stitched frames. They have some stitching detail on all of them. This is from Pink Fresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide. And this is what they all look like. So those are really pretty, really fun. I know a lot of people have trouble using frames on scrapbook layouts, but I love frames. I think they're so fun to use on a scrapbook layout. So I'm excited to use these on a few pages too. Also from the BU collection, oh, I guess that was from a different collection. From Pink Fresh Studio, this is from the BU collection, are the wood buttons. I've actually gotten these previously in a previous kit that I bought. Not from Wild Hare Kits, but a different kit. And I've used up almost all of them, so I'm excited to get another pack, and I love how much dimension you get out of a wood button. So I think those will be great to add for my pages. And then from the Pink Fresh Studio BU collection are the chipboard stickers. Now, these are actually a lot larger than typical Pink Fresh Studio chipboard pieces. I'm surprised to see that. Like, this camera is really big. These frames are pretty large too. But they're gorgeous, of course, and I think that they will look great on my pages. So that is my kit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to link the Wild Hare Kits website down below. Sorry if you hear my kids yelling. I'm going to link the website down below. If you have not checked them out yet, you definitely should. And I'm going to link all of the other design team members' unboxing videos down below, so you can see how different our kits are and see what everyone else got to use for this month of crafting. You guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.